Good morning, guys, and happy Friday. Okay, this video is going to be a little different. I had to take the other video down, guys. I'm sorry. Cashflow Coma Senior didn't like having his company shirt on in the video. I've got a lot of very experienced people who watch my videos, so you know, guys, I'm not a laundromat expert by any means. I haven't owned a laundromat for 10 years. I haven't owned a laundromat for 1 year. I've owned one for 6 months. So this is what I currently know. And by the way, my place is spotless with this new employee that I have. I know not everyone likes employees. I understand that. But, I mean, she does wash and fold. Our dry cleaning's going up, and my place is spotless. So she might pay for herself. Or either way, my customers are happy though. I'm happy. I'm happy with this smell. We put masks in. Pack of 10 for $2, and we put 75 cents in for trash bags. I did this, and you know, doing this and also cleaning up the lint traps, which I'll make a long kind of satisfying video of me doing that as well. I do that every Monday at around 6 a.m. It's just, I love it. I love doing just good old-fashioned work like that. I love that. What do you guys think I should put here? These are our 3 most sold, I guess bottled things. I'm also getting a tray with single coils so I can fit some larger products. I just emptied this out, and I just did a coin collection. That I already did it because of the video, guys. We can do plenty of coin collections. Believe me, I love them too. This is actually my lawn. Yeah, I'm not paying the apartment complex $2 for a crappy top loader. Anyway, let's get into some of the mechanics real here. Okay, actually, I'm gonna put this there. Okay, really quickly. We have a lot of laundromat owners who watch my videos. We also have people who don't own laundromats and who would like to know some. So, our veteran owners, please give me like a minute to kind of explain this, and then we can get into the more detailed stuff of what's going on here. So, these are all the machines, obviously. There are water pipes here connected to them that allows water to enter the machine. Water's got to exit the machine, right? And how it does it is at the bottom there's 2 ways really. One is with a PVC from the bottom of the machine straight to the ground that connects to a larger pipe that goes out to the lint trap out in the back. You have to have that lint trap sucked out, and it'll have change, lint, and a very other common item is the wire from the bra. Those are the 3 most common things: change, lint, and the bra strap wire. So yeah, PVC is one way. I've got PVC on that side, and I've got PVC on the end over there. These 2 ways is the other very common way to kind of have water exit, and it's a trough. And a trough is basically a runoff. We can kind of lift this up here like this, and then push that door out, and then we get access to the trough. Now, bear in mind, this is a 30-year-old trough, and it's dirty. So, you guys want to see it? What it looks like. This is the trough. This water is not coming from the machine. It's not. It's coming from here because water goes through concrete. And so the trough is leaking, essentially, basically. And I don't know why they didn't, look at that. There was a better way to do that, but that's really how it should be, but it should be sealed somehow, and I don't even think it is. So that's what we're running into. Cashflow Coma Senior and I don't understand. Why do you have P-traps? Why do you constantly, because then the P-trap gets full of change and bra strap wires, and then you got to clean that out, and lint, and you've got to clean that out, and taking that off the machine is just such more work than cleaning out the trough. Why not just have the pipe run straight to the trough and then clean out the trough? That's so much easier than oh great. That's so much easier. Yeah, I've got to change a belt on that machine. That's so much easier than taking the pipe off the machine and emptying it out. And it's like a lot of water, guys. I mean, it'll hold like 1 or 2 gallons of water, maybe more. So why even have the P-traps? Why not just have it exit into the trough and clean out the trough? That's what the trough is for. As long as you have the screen, you shouldn't run into many problems. And an even better solution, if you don't want to clean the screen out that much, which I do about once a week, not clean it out, but I'll just take it out because it'll have like lint on it and it takes forever to take off. So just throw it away. We have whole rolls of it. We'll use a piece like that big to put it over. So why even have the P-traps though? Why not just, and with the lint screen also, why not just, cut the screen into a cube shape and put that over so that there's more surface area for the water to go around? Because I'm not gonna lie, if that little screen gets covered up, you're gonna get a flood, and that's happened. So, okay, it seems to be covered up. Yeah, and I don't want to take the drill out right now to move this board just to show the screen, but it's a little screen. Okay, here we go. I can show you right here what I mean with the screen. Okay, because this one's not drilled in. I often come back here to take this vacuum out to clean the lint, but this is the screen that I use, and that is like the other side of the trough. Geez, you can't even see it. Hold on. Okay. So that's the screen. We're learning, we're learning. We're not like not everyone is just like magically a master laundromat owner, and I don't believe that you need to be before buying one, but no, we did not know this, and we're learning though. I can even show you it. So, we open this up here, and the lint trap is right there. Here. Right there. So yeah, and ultimately, I mean, I talk to the old owner frequently. They still own the car wash behind me. Essentially, I mean, a short-term plan is to put liner over in the trough there so that just stops the leaking, the little bit of leaking that goes on here. A long-term plan, and this would cost a fortune. Like, I'm not gonna do this. I think I'll hang on to this laundromat for 2 more years. I'm gonna hang on to it for 2 more years. I've renovated this. I've had many offers come in. I mean, I wouldn't sell it for 4 times as of what I bought it for. It would have to be a little more than that, but I'm gonna get a 4x return on my investment. And, I feel good about what I've done here so far. It's not perfect, but I've made improvements, and a lot more than the last owner. The long-term plan, and I mean, this is a small mat though. It's around 1,200 square feet. The long-term plan, we think, is that my neighbor doesn't really, I don't know. I think he wants to move or end his lease. But what would be really awesome is to blow this wall out. And we'd have to talk with the landlord about this, because even if this laundromat was doing or really good, I don't think you could do this on your own. You would have to have some kind of help from the landlord, which in my opinion, yeah, I think you should. Anything foundational like that, I think the landlord ought to help out in some way. But basically, blow this wall out, double the space in the mat. It's about the same amount of space here and my neighbor next door. Double the space of this mat. So now we got around a 2,400 square foot mat. And this is like, I don't know how many years away. It's maybe a little, maybe a lot, I don't know. But double the space of the mat. Get the equipment. I think the equipment would rightfully be on me, obviously, yeah. And it could happen in 2 years. Yeah, in as little as 2 years, we could have that ready. Double the space, get all the foundation. Also, blow this trough out. Dig up I'm pretty sure it's like you know what? We're going to go see it right now. We're going to find out. Hey guys, okay, so we're out here now in front of the trough. So let's see right now what it looks like. Now it did just rain, so it shouldn't. I dropped my phone because that would make me angry. Okay, so that is the size, and I mean, I don't know, that's what, 3-inch. So it's a 3-inch pipe there. Maybe, well, yeah, I guess it is. Yucky. Okay. So that's what it is, guys. This is all I have for replacement air. It needs to be like literally 4 of these with all the, especially the new dryers that I have, maybe more. I'm not sure if this was done with it or afterwards, I don't know, but that's what we got now, guys. So the ultimate solution would be to actually blow that out and widen the pipe and, you know, put a trough, like maybe even a plastic trough or something like that. That's what we think anyway. But yeah, guys, look how funny is this. So this was my way of fitting the masks in there with the little very small single coils in there. This was my kind of method of doing that. Just cover up D3 and 4 and then just right on there. I don't know, I just thought that was pretty funny. Trash bags have been doing phenomenal. I just love my work. I love how I do that. I love how simple it is. And we have 10 masks for $2. But yeah, guys, that's where we are currently as far as our understanding of everything. You know, I will say, because we've seen some of y'all's videos here on YouTube, we've seen some beautiful builds. You know, this is a 30-year-old design, not our build, obviously. So yeah, that's where we are as far as all the foundational stuff, like the trough and everything. That's pretty much the main problem with this place, besides the fact that it's very small, you know, 1,200 square feet. So yeah, with experience, 1,200 square feet with experience. Now I'm gonna go out on a limb and guess that the mat is a lot older. I don't know, I think that might be a great deal though, if in a couple of years, if I still own it, which I personally don't think I will, but I'm gonna take care of this place as best as I can while I have it. I think the long-term goal to kind of, you know, to kind of save and just really put a stand on this place is to blow this wall out and double the size of the mat, and maybe the landlord could make more than double of rent. But then there would be, the only other problem that I could think of is the parking, which, I mean, there's like, I'm looking at it now, there's like 6 spots, you know, and on Saturday and Sunday you'll have people parking behind each other and all kinds of crazy nonsense. But I mean, it's just such a great location here, guys. We get a lot of volume, you know, especially now that I'm kind of running this place how it should be ran. I feel pretty good about it. What else, really? I'm gonna make another different kind of video. You know, I take pride in my work, obviously. We're gonna do a lint cleaning video. I think I already said that. Yeah, it's gonna be just kind of a satisfying 30-minute long plus video. I guess YouTube likes longer videos. It's just gonna kind of be me talking, giving a little commentary on what we're doing. And we're going to clean the dryers. I'm gonna show you, just so our other non-laundromat owners can see the process of how it is and what you have to do. Also, next week, I know I keep saying I'm delaying it, but next week we will rip out the tile and we will actually, I'll have you guys know, I think you guys will be excited for this one, is that this guy will gain a friend. So yeah, and then I'm gonna also do another series of taking on a trade and learning a trade this summer. I'm gonna do a series on that, on starting a business with it. And our little soda machine here is doing just fine. He's working hard. So far, this is what we're at, where we're at with the laundromat. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you all very much, and we'll see you all on the next one. Take care.